What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. If you're looking for a green drink to stay alkaline, you might want to check this out. All right, so I've ordered some stuff by this company before. Amazing Grass. Not this kind of grass, like this kind of grass. And they have a green drink mix that I really actually liked. It kind of reminds me of the Tony Robbins stuff before he switched over to kind of more of this like juice type of drink mix. But one of the things that I was looking for was something to replace that, which was really wheatgrass, alfalfa, kind of the green stuff that you might think of, very vegetable based basically. And I really actually enjoyed that. But I realized when I was reordering that they have this, it's called the Green Superfood Mix. And what's crazy about this is that every serving, and this has 60 of them, includes 2 full servings of fruits and vegetables apparently. Now, this has all the things that you might expect: gluten-free, no sugar, plant-based, non-GMO, natural energy, promotes detoxifying, helps alkalize, right? So you want to stay alkaline or slightly alkaline, aids digestion and immunity. It's just supposed to be a bunch of good stuff. Now, I will tell you, I'm going to demo it here, that 60 servings of this comes in a pretty big tub, and you can see there, it just looks like a green powder. There's even a little scoop cup in there, but it's really in there, so I'm gonna just use a spoon. And then I have a glass of regular tap water. Now it says to add 1 spoonful per 8 ounces. I think I have a little less than 8 ounces, so I'm gonna go a little light on the spoonful there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up. Now, one of the things that I like about this is if you drink a lot of water, you can add this in anywhere. You know, take it with you and make up your green drink water before you go to work, put in your water bottle and fridge it or whatever. And I will tell you what, it's kind of an acquired taste, or at least the green drinks that I've had before, a little bit of acquired taste. They kind of taste a little, I don't know, seaweedy, alfalfa-y, like hamster foodish first. And then after you drink it a while, you start not to notice it, and it adds a little bit of flavor. But as you can see here, even with that little bit of mix in there, this stuff gets pretty green. Kind of reminds me of like pond water. Hope it doesn't taste like that. Now, I will tell you, I don't know that this smells much different than their other product. It definitely has, I think alfalfa is really the strongest scent in it. And you can taste the grittiness sometimes, so I will tell you that if you want clean teeth, you might want a clean glass of water to chase this with. But let's... You know what? It has a little bit of a sweeter taste than I think the other stuff. It's pretty drinkable. Wheatgrass, barley, alfalfa, spirulina. I don't know what that is. Chlorella, broccoli, spinach, beetroot, carrot, pineapple, acai berry, and maca root. Plus a cerola cherry and more. Pretty good. You know what? That's not bad. It's actually much more drinkable, I think, than the other stuff. So I'm actually really impressed with this. You know, it kind of depends on whether you are really sensitive to taste or not. But I don't think that tastes bad at all. And actually, even though I drink this, I haven't drunk it lately. And so it's kind of a nice way to stay healthy, get some of those fruits and vegetables in a way that is different than like a multivitamin. And I think maybe even more effective. So you can really put a bunch of this stuff down. I don't think it's bad for you. Check it out. A canister like this was actually pretty cheap too, so I think it's a good way to have nutrition in a can at home conveniently. Link in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.